Welcome to episode 13. Here. Wait. What are you? What are you doing?
I'm working out with the diagrams.
No, I said working out the diagrams.
Oh, okay. Welcome to episode 13 of The Imp.
What's going on here?
It looks like Ben and Luke have been labelling the wiring loom. Oh, look, here's Ben now.
Oh,
You're right, Ben.
I went a bit fast.
What have you got there?
It's another goodie as well.
Ooh.
So Nathan from Complete, there you go, there's a logo there. Nathan from Complete Engineering Services. So they're the guys that made all this kit. He's been watching our videos and basically said that he thought the starter bracket looked a bit awful, which I kind of agree with, to be honest, compared to the rest of it. It's a bit basic, so he made us a new one for us to try out, which is a rather lovely bit of kit.
looks mega.
Yeah, all their machine work looks pretty insane. So it's all billet aluminium. So we're going to try that out. That'll sit something like that. Should be a lot neater. Yeah, nice little bit from them. Nice to know they're watching.
You were also doing a bit of wiring.
I kind of enjoy wiring sometimes. So yeah, I've just been labelling everything up. Basically want to make it as simple as possible, so it's just a few wires going to the imp and it's essentially reversible. So
5 pages
all
of
good
wiring
fun.
diagrams.
Yeah, and that's only half of it as well.
Really?
Yeah, that's just the K100 wiring. So it's a bit of a funny one because the K100 has an ECU for ignition and an ECU for fuel. So it's got two, and they're on separate looms that converge. So there's a little bit of working out what to do. The fueling ECU, from memory, is quite nice because that's almost standalone. It just has a few wires going into the rest of the loom, but the ignition ECU is part of the whole bike loom. So a little bit of working out to do, and then we'll slim it all down and get it in there.
There we go, lots to do.
Straight up, guaranteed.
So this week we have been removing the eyelets because the Imp previously had installed some racing harnesses that were riveted on back plates into the floor. But the problem is that over the years the eyelets have pulled the floor up, and now we want to get rid of them, and there's some holes and a bent floor. So what we've been doing this week, me and Prevvie, or Prevvie and I, have taken out the backing plates and the eyelets and have welded the holes up and been smashing the floor around a bit, trying to get it nice and level again, as it once was. Looking a bit better.
What's going on here?
Well, it looks like Ben and Luke this week have been labelling up the wiring diagram.
Who's that?
What did you do?